Hello guys, welcome to Crazy Creativity with Vedant. My name is Vedant and in today's video we are going to make a bouquet. Yes, a bouquet out of paper. And I guess lot of you guys love Among Us. So I saw your support on the last video. Thank you for that. If you can, please show the same support on this video as well by watching the whole video, liking it and sharing it with your friends. And make sure to subscribe. So today we are going to make a bouquet out of paper, and to make this bouquet out of paper you would be requiring these materials. So guys, now first to make our bouquet, first we'll be requiring some flowers which would be in our bouquet. So first to make that flowers, we'll take a A4 sheet of any color that you like to make a flower, and we'll just draw circles all over this page. So I have many of these pages where I have already drawn circles. So let me show you how does it look like. So guys, now for example, I have this sheet over here where I have already drawn 3 circles. Now how to make our flower? First, to make our flower, first we'll cut these circles. So first let's cut these circles. So guys, now I've cut 3 circles over here. Now we'll take one of these circles and we'll take our scissor and we'll slowly cut it in like this. We'll cut it in like a spiral or a spring so that we can easily make our flower. So first let's do that. So guys, now I've made a spiral over here or a spring. Now what are we going to do is we are going to take this part and we are going to start to roll it inwards. We'll continue to roll it inwards till we reach the end over here. So guys, now after rolling it in, this is how our final shape of the flower looks like. Now we'll just squeeze it in a little bit. So this is our flower looks like. Now from the bottom over here, we will apply some glue over here and we'll just stick it over here so that our flower sticks in place. So guys, this is how we make one of our flowers. Similarly, we will be cutting all of these circles which I have. Let me show you how many circles do I have. So all of these sheets are full of circles which I'm going to cut and make flowers of. So first let's make flowers of all of these, and then I will teach you how to make and insert it in the bouquet. So guys, now I have made all the flowers and I think they are pretty enough. So let me show you how many do I have made. So this container is full of flowers. I think there are pretty much 25 to 30 flowers in it, and we have some flowers over here as well. So I think these many flowers would be enough. So let's keep them on the side. Now, the main part of our bouquet is the cone, which will hold all the flowers and would give the bouquet a good look. So for that, for the cone, I have selected a black sheet. Now, how are we going to make this cone is, first we are going to place our hand over here, and we'll take this flap over here and we'll just pull it till here. Now as you can see, it forms a little bit over here, and now we will just pull it a little bit inwards, and then we will continue to roll it like this. Now once we roll it, we'll just hold it, and we can loosen or tighten this as the shape we want. Now I think this is a little bit too small, so I'll just loosen it a little bit. So I think this much would be quite enough. So according to your shape you want for the bouquet, you can loosen or tighten the cone, and once you have done that, the flap over here or anywhere else, it could come over here or maybe over here, wherever your flap comes, take some glue and apply it over here, and we'll just stick it so that our cone does not come out of place. Now after applying and sticking the glue over here as well, as you can see this is sticked now, I am going to apply some glue over here as well. So as you can see, this is the flap which has come out, and I am going to apply some glue inside over here so that it stays in place and does not come out. So now this is done as well. So guys, now after this, what are we going to do is, we are going to stuff some newspaper inside, and after that we are going to cover it with a cardboard piece, so that our bouquet feels a little bit heavy, and it also will give it a nice weight to the bouquet, because if you hold it in your hand, it should look quite heavy and not quite small, so that it does not have enough weight in it, so that it looks nice. So for doing that, first we'll take some newspaper, and after taking the newspaper, we'll crush it and put it inside over here. So first let's do that. So guys, now after putting a layer of newspaper inside it, we are going to stick it over with a cardboard. So first let's do that. So guys, now cut out the cardboard, and I have also sticked a black layer on it. I have just put this inside, I haven't sticked it. So first let's stick it, but before that, first let's take it out. And as you can see, I have sticked a black sheet over here. So first, now let's stick it over here inside. Now let's continue sticking it. So guys, now this is stuck over here. The cardboard piece is stuck quite good, and now the next step we are going to do is, we are going to add the flowers. Now I have made these many flowers. I think these would be more than enough for our bouquet. So first let's stick them. For sticking them, first we will take one of these flowers and we will apply some glue on the back. Now after applying some glue on the back, we will just stick it over here like this. Now we will do this till the first layer is complete. So guys, now all the flowers are stuck. Now what are we going to do is we are going to decorate it, because like this the bouquet looks very incomplete. We need to do something with it. So for that I have a few flowers left which we are going to add over here as well. But before that, first we will add a ribbon over here. So first let's do that. So guys, now we have the ribbon over here. It's in the red color. Now we will cut it and measure. First we will measure the size and then cut accordingly. How long do we require the ribbon? So first let's do that. So first we are going to attach it over here like this. We will tie a knot over here. So I think we will take it a little more. So I think this much would be enough for our first part of the ribbon. So first let's cut it now. And now we will just tie it over here. Now I have tied a knot over here. So as you can see, the ribbon is coming down. So we are going to apply some glue at the back, because whenever we apply some glue on the ribbon, it gives some marks over here which would not look nice on the front side of it. So we'll stick it on the back over here to here. So first let's apply some Fevicol and then stick the ribbon. So guys, now I have sticked it on the back, and till it sticks, we are going to just place the ribbon nicely according to we want. So the bow should be in the center. And now the remaining flowers which I have, I am planning to put a bunch of 3 over here, and then I'll put one over here and maybe 3 over here as well. So first let's also stick the flowers on the bouquet's cone. So first let's do that now. So guys, now I have sticked 4 flowers over here, a ribbon over here, and just below that I have sticked a red flower as well, as I had many flowers like these. And the front over here is the same, I haven't changed anything, and I have just did something over here. And now our bouquet is finally ready. So that is it for today's video. If you like today's video, make sure to like it, share it with your friends and family, teach them how to make this, and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.